My name is Connie Hall. I am from Arlington, Nebraska. I was diagnosed with breast cancer in January of 23 at the age of 51.
My journey, I guess, started with I went in for an appointment. I had a bump on my nose, and so I went in and had it biopsied and got a phone call while I was in Chamberlain, South Dakota, and the doctor said, you've got lymphoma cancer.
My husband and I were in the car on the way to the party, and he called with my results. That was a big shock. And then that following Monday, I stopped Dr. Harun in the hall and asked him if he would be my doctor. So I just couldn't even consider going anywhere else. I knew that I was gonna get the absolute best care here.
It's really encouraging work in Fremont because I see a lot of not just doctors, physicians, but also our support staff are really wonderful in trying to make sure that our patient receives the best care and receive everything they need at Fremont.
I was truly blessed because everybody that was put in front of me was doing it for me. When I would walk into the radiology department and the chemo is on one side and the radiology is on the other, and you go in and you sit in the same waiting room with others, and you don't realize how many people are around that need that type of care and until you start looking for it. And to have it centrally located here, it makes my day a lot easier.
I work at Midland University, and so it was a 2-minute drive to get here. I guess what I enjoyed the most about getting that treatment here is the staff that was in that radiation department. They were incredible. Knowing that I could come here as compared to having to travel to Omaha or some other location was huge. And knowing that I was going to receive excellent service was even more important.
And that's what I've always loved about here, and why I never have wanted to leave, and why I've been here for 24 years is it's such a sense of community here. I feel safe. It's about their emotional and community and all of those things that we can provide here, because it's just different.
We are out raising money in our community for a $2.4 million project to be able to purchase a new linear accelerator machine so that we can serve folks in our own community with radiation and the supports and services that they need right here in Fremont.
Being able to use the best technology to avoid any kind of side effects that we can avoid is very important for these patients. As our medical field moves along and we're pushing the frontiers, we're really allowing a lot of these patients to live a long time.
It will lower the number of treatments. It's more precise, it's more accurate, reduces the side effects and side damage. This is a game changer for us.